Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, let's take a look at the question. It said, design a quick way to estimate which one of the two gratings has more lines per centimeter. So we know the lines per centimeters is such quantity is the reciprocal of the separation between two slits, which is 1 over d, and d is the separation of the double slit. And we know there's a formula for the uh, separation of double slit from the equation sine theta m equals m lambda divided by d. M is the orders, lambda is wavelength, and d is the separation of the two slits. And d is equal to m lambda divided by sine theta m, and 1 over d, which is the reciprocal of the separation of the two slits, which is the the number of lines per meters for the gratings, is equal to sine theta m divided by m lambda. And from this equation, we know that d is related to angles, the theta m. One of these also related to the angle theta m as well. But the separation of two slits is negative correlated to the angle theta m. Is because when the theta m increase, the d decrease, the value of d decrease, and which means that the number of lines per meter or the number of lines per centimeters will increase when the angle increase. So if you want to get the grating with more lines per centimeter or more lines per meters, all you need to do is just to find certain blind spot. For example, if we all take a look at the second order blind spot, so the m is fixed at this point through the red light wavelength, so the wavelength is fixed. Then all we need to do is just figure out which blind spot is closer, or another one is more narrow. Since if the separation of the slits is small, that means the angle is big. And if the angle is big, that means the number of lines per meter or the number of lines per centimeters must be greater. And that will be the plan that I can design to identify which gratings has more lines per meter or per centimeters. Thank you.